Imagine you're enjoying a beautiful sunset from your rooftop terrace. In front of you lies your dream house worth $20 million. You bought it last year for a song and everyone thought you were crazy. But now they read all green with envy watching you walk around your huge living room with floor-to-ceiling windows. But soon you remember why you never sold it. Yeah, that's right, you're stuck forever. Well, maybe not forever, but for a long time. Now let me ask you a question. Would you be willing to trade it in for a home that's only worth $1 million, but that you can sell whenever you want? Well, here's the catch. You can't and rent it out, and you're not allowed to use anyone else's money to buy it. Oh, and also you have to pay for all the maintenance and renovation yourself. Now you realize that owning that mansion has drained your bank account. The hefty property tax alone is enough to discourage you, and the pool needs cleaning again. Yeah, but if you didn't have to pay for it, would you still accept the offer, So what does this story teach us? Even if you own a $20 million home, it's worthless if you can't pay for it. To truly own something, you must be able to cover all related costs. This is the essence of financial freedom. It's not about material possessions. It's about having enough money to pay your bills. But what is financial freedom then? Put simply, it's the ability to pay your monthly bills without worrying about where the money will come from. It means that you can enjoy your life regardless of whether you're working or not. When you have financial freedom, you're not stressed about money. You know you have enough to support yourself and your loved ones. It's the feeling of true independence. Do you feel financially free? Share your thoughts in the comments. Meanwhile, we're going to talk about what's preventing you from achieving financial freedom. There are two common traps people fall into when trying to become financially free. The first trap is the wealth trap. It's easy to confuse wealth with financial freedom, but they're not the same thing. For example, a person may own a house worth several $1 million, but if they don't have enough savings to pay for repairs or other unexpected expenses, they're not financially free. They're trapped by their wealth. On the other hand, someone who owns a modest home but has significant savings and a steady stream of passive income is financially free. Their modest home may not be as valuable, but they don't depend on it to pay their bills. They can sell it and still have enough money to support themselves. Here's another scenario to illustrate this concept. Two friends, Alex and Ben, both earn $10,000 per month. Alex buys a luxurious sports car and clothes on credit, while Ben saves his money. After a few years, Alex has spent $100,000 on his car and clothes, but he has nothing to show for it. His debt burden is growing and he's no closer to financial freedom. Meanwhile, Ben has saved up $30,000 and uses it to start a small business that brings in $3,000 per month. Even if Alex wins the lottery and becomes wealthy, he's still trapped by his bad financial habits and massive debt. Ben, on the other hand, is financially free because he has a steady stream of income from his business. He's not dependent on his savings. No matter what happens, Ben can continue to live comfortably because his income covers his expenses. As you can see, financial freedom, it's not about accumulating wealth. It's about having a steady stream of income that covers your expenses. Another trap is the illusion of shortcuts to financial freedom. Many people believe that financial freedom can be achieved overnight, and they fall for get-rich-quick schemes or risky investments promising high returns. But shortcuts don't exist. Building financial freedom takes time, effort, and smart decisions. Trust me, there's no substitute for hard work and financial discipline. How do you achieve true financial freedom? First, determine your monthly expenses. This includes your mortgage, car payments, food, utilities, insurance, and other necessities. Be honest with yourself and track your spending for a few months to get an accurate picture. Set a clear goal. Calculate how much you need to save each month to achieve financial freedom. Consider your retirement goals, emergency funds, and any other financial obligations you may have. Once you know how much you need to save, you can develop a plan to achieve your goal. Increase your income. Look for ways to increase your income, such as taking on a side hustle, starting a small business, or investing in rental property. The more income you have, the faster you can save for financial freedom. Diversify your income streams. Relying on a single source of income can be risky. Aim for 3 sources of income to ensure stability. Examples include your primary job, a side hustle, and investments. Build an emergency fund. Having an emergency fund can help you avoid dipping into your retirement savings during unexpected expenses. Aim for 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in your emergency fund. Invest wisely. Consider investing in low-cost index funds or ETFs. They often outperform active funds in the long run. Diversify your portfolio based on your risk tolerance and time horizon. Keep learning. Never stop learning about personal finance and investing. Attend workshops, read books, and stay informed about your investments. By following these steps, you can pave the way toward financial freedom and build a secure future for yourself. Remember, achieving financial freedom is a journey, not a destination. Enjoy the process and celebrate your progress along the way. Do you have any questions about financial freedom or the path to achieving it? Please feel free to share them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you and help in any way we can. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, happy investing!